What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw Holiday Mickey Mouse. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We're going to start right in the middle at the very top. It's going to come all the way around towards the bottom and then back up towards the top. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. Let's go up above the nose and add a fold. Starting from the outside, I'm going to curve this up in the middle and then bend that back down. And I want to tuck the eyes in underneath that fold, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side and draw a long oval, going up towards the top of the eye, come around, and just pull that back in. Let's line this up on the right, going up towards the same height, come around the bottom, and then bend that in. Now I'm going to draw two smaller ovals along the inside of the eye. Let's start on the left, going up, come down, just tuck that in, and we'll fill the inside of the pupils. Now let's move down and draw in the mouth. Let's start over on the left side, curve the mouth coming down underneath the nose, and we'll bend that back up, and then we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Let's draw the bottom edge of the mouth. Starting over on the left, bend this in and then down, go to the right, do the same thing. Now on the left side, I'm just going to bend the bottom of the mouth coming down and then up on the right. Let's add the tongue in the center. Starting over on the left, bend this up. I'm just going to pull that down in the middle. Let's step back to create a fold, go up and then down, and we'll fill the top area of the mouth. Let's draw on the lower lip. Stepping over toward the left, just going to follow the curve of the mouth coming down and then back up. Now from the corners of the mouth, we're going to step up and draw on the cheeks. Let's start on the left. We're going to step up, just going to curve around that bracket, come in. I'm just going to bend that down towards the side of the lip, leaving a little overlap along the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. And step up, curve around the cheek, come in, and then we'll bend that down. Let's round out the side of the head. On the left side, curve the head going around and then in. Let's draw the bottom edge of the hat. On the left side, let's step down, curve this up in the middle, in towards the center, go across, and just extend that out towards the right. Let's add that trim on the side of the head. Start from the top of the cheek, and bend this around, up, and then in underneath the hat. Do the same thing on the right. And then in the center of the head, come in and then down toward the middle. Let's use our thick black marker and fill the side of the head. And we'll also fill in that center point. Now we're going to draw the outside of the hat brim. On the left, let's step down, bend this out, and then up towards the side. Let's add that fold on the side of the hat brim. Back on the left, go up and in. Now along the side, bend this out and in, almost like a bracket. Now let's connect the tops with a curve going up the middle, on the top of the brim, go across, and then back down. Let's go back over towards the left side. We're going to draw the top of the hat, going up. Just going to round this out, and then come down the right side. Let's bend this out towards the end. Now here we're going to draw a circle going all the way around, and then we'll pull that back in. From the end, we're going to come down, bend the hat coming in and up towards the side. Then we'll add a fold on the right side of the head, going up and in. Let's draw Mickey's ears in behind the hat. Starting from the top left, we're going to go up, around at the ear, come down, and then in. Now we're going to see the outside edge of the right ear. Start from the top, come around, come down, and then in. Now I'm going to go back to our thick black marker and fill in the ears. Now that we complete the hat, let's move down and draw on the scarf. We're going to start on the left side of the head, curve this around, in towards the middle, and then back up on the right. Let's draw the bottom of the scarf. We're going to start right in the middle, come down and out, draw a straight angle line going across the bottom, and we'll curve that back in underneath. Let's separate the bottom of the scarf. And then along the bottom, we're going to add a series of lines going from left to right. Let's go back up and draw on the side of the body. We'll start over on the left, curve the body going out, and then in. Let's go to the right side. Let's add that curve across the pant, going up and in behind the scarf, and come down. Now you see one button on the left side. Now from the hips, let's move to the center, add a curve, going up and then down. In the middle, draw a straight line coming down the center. Let's curve the bottom edge of the shorts, coming down and then up toward the left and right side. And then from the outside, bend the shorts coming in and then up, leaving a little overlap along the hips. Now we leave a gap in the center. Let's go to the left side, draw a straight line coming down. And the same thing on the right. Let's round out the bottom of the leg. And then pull that straight up underneath the shorts. Let's add that cuff around the ankle. We're going to step up and draw an oval, going all the way around and then back in. From the bottom of the cuff along the inside, we're going to bend the heel coming in and then down towards the center. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet, coming down and then up. Let's round out the foot, come up towards the top, and we'll bend that down. Now from the outside of the cuff, we're going to bend the foot coming down and out. Now let's go back up to the top and draw the arms on the hips. We're going to start from the side of the scarf, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow. And we'll line that up on the right side. Let's round out the elbow and then pull that in towards the wrist. Let's round out the inside of the wrist, going up towards the top, and then curve the arm going up and out, just aiming towards the elbows. Now you want to step back and draw the bottom of the arm going up and then in toward the side of the body. Now you want to wrap a cuff around the wrist, going all the way around toward the side of the body, and just tuck that in along the top. And then from the bottom of the cuff, let's curve the palm, coming down and then in. Let's add a fold along the bottom. Now you want to wrap the fingers around the bottom. Let's start from the side of the leg, come down, up, and then back down towards the side of the palm. Let's tuck 2 more fingers in behind, going up and then down, step up, draw that again. Now we're going to draw the tail coming out on the left side. Let's start from the top of the left leg, goes down, and then bend that up. I just want to thicken up the bottom of the tail coming in. It'll darken up the inside. Let's go back to our thick black marker and fill in the arms and the legs. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Christmas Mickey Mouse. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.